we're here on the way to Meet Up Monday with Ian and Jen. There's Chris. Got the hat cam on. So, let's go. Here she is. Going up to the street. There's the bus coming in. It's a shame they don't have a bus stop here on the left. I could get off and just walk home from there. So we're nearly there. Didn't take long. Couple of claps and that's it. This. What else? Five, four, three, two, one. Too soon. There we go. Here's Ian. Jen, how are you, darling? You're getting fragile.
I'm alright.
You alright?
I'm alright.
How's it going? We got to move to the far end because of the music, you see. So, we're coming to the end. We got my favourite bench ahead of us. Where we just sit and chew the fat before we go in. Christina's getting ahead of me. Bench. You're good, aren't you?
Yeah.
So this is the end of Meet Up Monday. Hope you enjoyed it.
I'll just talking through your house.
Uh-huh.
Hello, hat.
Hello, that. So we'll see you in a minute. Jelly Spoons, Tim down for living with MS in Tenerife. I'm here at Little Germany. They're open again. So don't forget to reserve and book your table at Little Germany and tell them Tim sent you and they'll charge you double. I'm here today with Reinhold, one of my friends.
Good evening.
And he's having a little beer and I'm having a big beer. And
Out of the car.
yeah. And we're going to go and have dinner now. He's going to have Spargel, which is asparagus, and I'm going to have a chicken burger, which I've got in the fridge at the moment. So, see you later. Hello, ladies and jelly spoons. It's Tim down for living with MS in Tenerife. I don't know what happened to the weather today, but look at this. We're up in a decky. Reinhold's getting a new brake light and indicator. And I'm walking to Aldi to get some feta cheese and maybe some tea. If they got Tetley, we'll see. Right, see you in a bit. Oh, hello, ladles and jelly spoons. Tim Dowd for living with MS in Tenerife. We've got these hazelnuts. The almendra hazelnut or almond?
Almond.
Almond pretzels. We got them in the bag. From, what's his name? Too Good to Go. We got a pack of sausages, pack of burgers, a bottle of milk, this, what else we got?
The very delicious brownies.
Oh, the brownies, a pack of brownies for $3.99.
But the meat stuff took Reinhold.
Yeah, all the meat took. Reinhold took. He'll probably chuck them, I think.
I don't like old meat stuff.
No. And because they're stored in the cold room, as soon as you bring them out into the sun, they blow up. Because they're, what's the word? Vacuum packed. Well, not vacuum packed, but they're luftdicht. How do you say that in English? They're not in a vacuum, but air can't get in and out. What else is the word? Sealed, hermetically sealed, I think it's the word. And so the air is cool inside, and then when it warms up outside as you're walking up, it'll blow and get tight. So it looks like it's gone off. But what you can do is pop it, smell it. If it smells all right, freeze it. I'll throw it. We got our money's worth because we got these which are $3.50 and the brownies which are $3.50 for $3.99. So we got our money's worth even if we throw everything else away. You shouldn't though, really.
And it works every time.
Yeah.
Except when you've got a...
Ladles and jelly spoons, this is Tim down for living with MS in Tenerife. I'm here with Ray and he is just been on the show. And this is for the 24-hour loop. We're here in the Monte Cristo and we're going to finish up the beer and then we're going to go home so I don't get in trouble with Chris. We're here with our fantastic young Madge. Turn you around. Here she is. Here's Madge.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Enjoying yourself?
Yes.
And Ray's sister, which I've forgotten your name, I'm sorry.
Isabel.
Isabella, yeah.
I'm all the way from Scotland.
All the way from Scotland, there you go. If you didn't come all the way from Scotland, then you'd be in south of Spain by now. Well, that's another story. So here we are. Tim and Ray
Brilliant.
shooting the moon, chewing the fat, and we'll see you on Sunday. You'll see us on Sunday afternoon as part of the 24-hour loop. See ya. I don't want to say, no, we don't say anything anymore, do we? What do we say? TTFN.
TTFN.
So the little jelly spoons tuned down for living their mess in Tenerife. I've just finished Meet Up Monday, where we didn't plan to meet anybody, we met everybody. If you haven't watched it, go and look at it. And I'm on the way home. I'm knackered. I was rushing to get home and I realised that I can't rush anymore. So here I am. This is my way home. And that's where I've got to go. And I just realised there's some people up on the roof over here. Can we zoom in? Give us a wave. What they're doing up there, we don't know. But we shall see what we shall see. Back to zero. And back to me. So, I'm going to crack on now, and I'll see you tomorrow. See ya. Wouldn't want to be you.